And now for my last recipe, I'm gonna make a tofu salad with Japanese dressing. The dressing is Tofu Japanese dressing. So, okay, I'm gonna show you. I have this mandolin to shred the cabbage very thinly. Okay, there. Because if you have a kitchen tool, everything is uniform. So there. But if you don't have this, of course, you can do the normal, the mano-mano, thinly chop. Yeah, there. So, there. So, I have thinly shredded cabbage, some green salad, lettuce, some cucumber, some julienne carrots, and our soft tofu. Okay. So, let me, okay. So, I'm gonna show you. Well, I just have a used bottle. I think bottle to ng pesto, ng isang tomato sauce na binili ko. So, I'll use this to make the sauce. It's so easy. So, let's just put some onion inside. 1 tablespoon. And then, I'll put some oil. Canola oil or olive oil, some soy sauce, Japanese soy sauce, so I use Kikkoman, and then some Japanese rice vinegar, some sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, and then sesame seeds, so like 1 tablespoon, and then salt, pepper, and cover it and just shake. So before, of course, it's very important we taste it. So if we can add more some salt or pepper. Okay, I think it's okay. So, okay, here's I'll start plating the salad. So, just arrange your greens. Greens first. And then some shredded cabbage in the middle. Here. And then you get the tofu, put it in the middle. Some shredded carrots. Maybe let's add more of this here. And then some cucumber. Okay. chicken. And then we will, well, actually, you can, in this recipe, you can still add, if you like some ginger taste, just add a teaspoon of ginger. And if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, then you can add a little bit sugar, like a teaspoon. But then, if you want not so sweet, then don't put any sugar. So, that's an option. And then, you can just pour it. And this is the tofu salad with Japanese dressing.